Hello everybody. Right off the bat, I will tell you this is the 2.0 version of this unboxing. But hello and how are you? I hope you're good. Hi to my subscribers, old and new. If you're new here, this is not the normal way I do things. But I did this last night. I was really tired apparently because I just totally fooled it up. So I waited till today, deleted it, and started over again. So I just decided to take it all out of the box. See, I already saw it. So if you don't mind the silliness and you're new and you haven't subscribed, you can hit that subscribe button. And I am a Diamond Art Club affiliate with the code Diane10, which is down below. You can save 10%, $10 off your first order. So it comes in a box, and we know it's a square. Scan me code for 10%. Square there. Nope, I don't show you the picture until I show you the picture. Diamond Art Club, do what make you sparkle. The bag that the canvas came in, so it was protected during transport. Thank you, booklet. Phew. What's included in your kit? A QR code here to see a video on how to diamond paint. And there's a VIP Facebook group. You can scan that to join that, but it has to be the same name that you use at Diamond Art Club. And step-by-step instructions, tips and tricks, another thank you code. And here on the back you have two barcodes, one for iPhone, one for Android. And no matter if it's your first choice or you're a returning customer, you'll get 20% off of your first app purchase. Like, that's wonderful. Did I use mine? I did. So, I'll leave the toolkit for later. And we'll turn this little baby over. Because the little baby is only how big? So I'll say 43 by 56. There you go. There. It is ODIE-Gaurdians of the Garden. I don't know why they say guardians, unless we got this strange little fluffy bird, and we have this, I'm going to say monarch butterfly. Our garden, guarding the garden. He has like a sigh. Back in the old days, you'll see in the old movies that the farmers got like this big stick and a big blade. And that was for cutting tall grass. Yes, I have seen them in action. Dating myself, okay. So we have this beautiful bird, and this is by Richard Lorenz. And he does, I follow him on Instagram, and he's got a website like Be the Bird. And he just does these funky birds, man. Oh, I love them. I didn't used to. Yeah. But I saw one on box one day and I went, oh my God, I got to have it. So I got that one. And I got this one. And I might be on unboxing another one like it too. And there's a Richard Lorenz event in January. So it's going to be by Cindy Schwind. Is that right? She's on Instagram, but I think it's Schwind Cindy. I'll try to link it down below. And you can also go to the Facebook group run by Kay Rathberg. Oh, I always say her last name wrong. It's just called Diamond Painting Events. And she, as long as people tell her, event hosts tell her that they're having an event, she will do up a post for it. So we people can see it. Knocked at her. So, we have a small sticker of our bird. See? So, you can put that on the end of the box. You put it in your logbook. You can put it wherever on your box, depending on which way you store them. I just keep them in a folder. In a folder. A little book that I keep all my DAC stickers in. Because this big mama jamma is also all sticker. So I just cut down through it on the side of the numbers here. And this whole piece goes in my logbook. So it tells us ODIE-Gaurdians of the Garden by Richard Lorenz. Start and end date. Beautiful picture of your, I'm trying to keep the glare off. Beautiful picture of your canvas. Tells you squares, size, and your SKU number. And there's ABs. Yoo-hoo. So let's just do a little bit of zoom. So with Diamond Art Club, oh wow. With Diamond, see how I did it last night, but I forgot. With Diamond Art Club, any number below 150 is an AB drill. And I'll show them to you as we come to them. So that means we have 5. And they are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But usually, okay, 141 is white. And usually that one's always a square. It's strange to see it as a 5. But here, let's just have a look at the symbols. So you can see what the symbols look like. See if there's any there that might perturb you. The first two I'm not used to seeing. Nope. And they're all pre-cut stickers. See? And of course then you got some extra stickers here on the bottom so you can keep them for a rainy day. So, and look how nice I even packed up those drills. Look. You wouldn't even know they were ever in the bag. Oh, I'll show you that first though. See, here's your SKU number and the name of the kit. So if you do store your drills separate from your canvas when you store them away, you won't mix up what drills go to what kit. I put everything back in the same box. Why? Because I would just fool it all up. Yeah, I would. So, Diamond Art Club, if this is your first time seeing one, they do not put their drills in numerical order in these trains. They do it by weight. If I can find it. Dear God in heaven. Hang on. Bless it, bless it, bless it. Uh-oh. I am so sorry, people. I hope I didn't make anybody sick. All right. I'm not normally one to do that, but I guess crap happens sometimes. I'm really confused at what I'm doing here. I think I'm coming down with a cold, to tell you the truth. I'm going to blame it on that. Now, I find these numbers very hard to read on the bags, so we're just going to go with it. Now, the newer kits, even though this was... No, it's not new. That's a reddish orange. Nice brown. Beige. That's a nice red. Beige family. 2 bags in one color, yeah. These are 2 bags of the one color. Brown. Another brown. That's a really dark brown. Nice beige. Another brown. Ooh, what you call that? I don't know. Some kind of beige or light terracotta. 2 bags the same. That's 2 bags of another light beige, brown. And there you go. So they don't have any ABs in that. Did we? No. Alright. Let's see if I'm not so confused with the next one. Alright. This is the smallest bags. So that's like a... I don't know. Maybe I don't know what to call that. Olive green. Nice yellow. Nice yellow. Or party animal with pink. Bit of purple. A little bit of orange. Oh, we got an AB 129. So AB means Aurora Borealis. We also have a party animal in there too. So you see that nice yellow back, flat back. And you see that shiny stuff, that like rainbowy stuff. Well, that's the AB coating. And it's called Aurora Borealis. And it'll just make them show up nicer, shinier on your canvas. So 129 is a yellow. That's number 3. Purple, a bit of beige. And 108 is a green. That's number 1. So you can still see the camera picks up the lighter ones better for whatever reason. We got a dark green. It looks like we got 3 ABs in there having a party. Wow. See the white? That one picks it up the most. Although now, it's looking, I will tell you, it looks more orangey on the camera. Like the top of that, but it's not. It's beautiful. But not all people like ABs. And that's fine too. Ooh, that's a 891. That's a orange, isn't it? Oh, that's a nice yellow. So we got what? We got a white, a yellow, and a green. We got green, yellow, and white. Okay. Just making sure I can see what we're up to. So we have the green, the brown, nice pinkish purple, another brown. What the heck is that? I know it looks like a piece of plastic. Well, that's nice pink. Purple. Purple. This one's a really nice, like, orangey type color. Oh, you can't see the AB at all on that one. No, because it's just... Well, you can see something there. It's just the color that it is. So this one is... Alright, so I'm making sure I get the... So that's the green, that's the yellow, that's the orange, that's the white. Okay. We got, you know, like that nice deep burgundy wine color. Pink, brown. The orange. That orange almost... This one's going to complement this one. Oh, see? I bet you. One little bag of 310. Well, I don't care about 310, no. And this beige color. Oh, that's a... Yeah, that's a pink AB. See, you can sort of see the... But you see it better, like, on the canvas. And a nice red. Now, let's zoom you out. So what have we got here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some spots I might remember. So we do have some white here, white here, white here. There wasn't a lot of it. Oh my. Sorry guys. White here. And I'm going to say that's white up there. So that was the white one. Let's see. Number 4 is an orange. We have down here, right here, right here. Let's see if I can see anything else lying away. So what a bit. Okay. Where to? There's some of the green in here. No, right here. So we got some of the oranges going up through here. There's a few lines up through here. And that's actually the green. What's that? One green right there. That's actually a yellow. Why would you put a yellow in all that orange? I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, I gotta haul it down. Because I don't know if I just said this, but I do have bad eyesight. Yep. A 4, so that the 4 is the orange. Oh, he's got glasses on. Yeah, glasses or goggles. There's some 4s right here, and on the top right here. There's a little bit of 4 here. Okay, I'm making sure that I'm looking at what you're looking at. There is some yellow up right here. Here. There's some orange in here, here, and here. Some white up there. And let's just... Okay, so the pink. There's pink in here. Oh, I missed a bunch of 2s. I'll show you that now in a minute. And if you hear someone clearing their throat, that would be hubby. There's 2s down here. That was the nice light pink. And there's 2s over here. All right, there you go. So we're going to say that's it. So what do you think? And you know what? I think, too, it is like, either you love them or you don't. Yeah. And I mean, now I don't like all of them. But this one, it's just like a little fluffy fur ball. Oh, and he's a bird, so you can't squish him. Got a beautiful hat on. I don't know what this is. Where does this come from? What is this supposed to be? Oh, hang on now. Oh. That's not a side. This is a ribbon. And it's twirling. And coming down here. Yeah. And it's split at, you know how some of you split the ribbon sometimes? So, and this thing here is actually, okay, so a stick is more like a piece of wood stick. And this, I thought was hearts. It's 2 strawberries. Dear God. That's another strawberry right here. This piece right here is a snail going up the stick, no doubt, to steal the strawberries. And, yeah, that's ribbon. And it comes in, it twists down, and it's going... Oh, there was writing on the picture here. It said Guardians of the Galaxy, but it's a garden, but it's not on the painting. And you got some bubbles. And some faint outlines of some trees. Oh, so off the top of the stick's alive, apparently. So off the top of the stick, there's some green leaves coming off, so that this was a live stick when he picked it. Let's put it that way. And, yeah, and the strawberries are growing off the stick. We're not sure how that happened, but there you go. All right, I'll let you go now. I think I told you everything this time. And I did it quicker, yeah, than last night when it was no good. All right, bye for now. Here's your great big hug. And I hope you're doing okay. Hope you like this one. If you do, run on over to Facebook. Oh, my. Over to Diamond Art Club and see if you can find it. With all them new releases today, because today's Saturday. Yeah, all them Halloween releases. Oh, all right. Loves ya. Bye for now. See you soon.